Nice outfit. You Wonder Woman? What are you? What are you? What are you? Yeah, who are you? Wonder Woman?
Whatever you want.
Beautiful outfit. You work here or something? Or like, what you, oh, huh?
No.
You just wore this out just like to be wearing it, like hanging out like this?
Oh, yes. It's Vegas.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's how we locals do.
Oh, that's how, oh, you're local, okay. Well, take care, okay? Bye-bye. It's open.
It is
It's
open.
for
We're
business.
back. We're making money again. People are spending money again.
Okay.
We are just having a good time in Vegas.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Where are you guys from?
California and Philly.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Woo!
Yeah. Where you from? But nobody from Vegas. You from Vegas?
from here.
Born and raised,
No such
Vegas.
thing. No
Richard, how's it going today?
Going pretty good.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. We out here in Vegas.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm Richard from Richard's World Traveler, traveling with Philly Dom. We're gonna walk around here. We're at the Treasure Island, and we'll end up at the Venetian and walk through there.
Okay. Let's go. Walgreens. I used to work for them across the street over there. Bellagio.
Walking.
Yeah, it's right there. Hey, hey, hey. You see me, Philly Dom, I'm out here. Out here on the strip.
We'll go to Venetian. Venetian's like really
Venetian?
Cool. Really,
Okay.
really cool.
Oh, we're going to the Venetian. We're going to the Venetian. They said the Venetian is really, really cool. Let's check out the Venetian. I'm right here, guys. Hey ladies, doing it good? Y'all enjoying Vegas? That's good to hear, good to hear. So this is the Venetian.
Yeah, the Venetian.
Oh, we walking in, guys. We're going on in here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's get hyped. We in Vegas. This way upstairs, downstairs, where we go? All right, this way. We going this way. Changing directions. We going this way. Changing directions. Going this way. How you doing today? Good? Enjoying yourself? Okay. Steve Madden. Yeah. In here walking around. Man, this looks like Italy. Yeah, the videotape. Nice up in here. Wow. Hello, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Nothing much. I'm on YouTube. I'm just recording right now, just checking out everything that's going on. What could you say about your restaurant?
So here we serve authentic Italian cuisine.
Mhm.
All of the pastas handmade daily.
Okay.
We've got a wood fire oven flown in from Naples, Italy.
Okay.
And the dough's fermented for 4 days. And when we run out of pizza dough, it's done for.
Okay.
All of our seafood is wild caught. We've got amazing cocktails.
And Vegas is
Wineless.
open.
Vegas
It's
is
open.
It is open.
Open for
We're
business.
back. We're making money again. People are spending money again.
Okay.
We are just having a good time in Vegas.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Where are you guys from?
California and Philly.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Woo!
Yeah. Where you from? Because nobody
Here.
from Vegas. You from Vegas?
I'm from here.
Born and
No
raised.
such
Vegas.
thing. No such thing.
Okay. All
I don't
right.
wanna see your
That's
ID.
my birth certificate.
Oh wow.
Okay, let's see
Okay.
it.
That's cool.
Well, if I had it with me.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? We're YouTubers. We just talking to her about the restaurant and stuff. And letting everybody know that Vegas is
Everybody
open.
thinks Las Vegas is closed.
But they think Vegas is closed, so I'm trying to let them know that it's open.
It's open, we're here.
Yeah. All right. nice, man.
Yeah, it is nice. And you can rent the boats. Or I don't know how much it costs.
Let me see.
You can take the boats.
I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out right now. I'm gonna ask her.
Well, it says the Venetian is old. You know what?
Got a question. How much does it
It
cost?
looks like one of those things to take my temperature.
No, it's a
Okay.
camera. It's a camera. How much does it cost to rent the boat?
Oh, you know what? It's like per person. Tonight, I want to say it's $36.
$36. Okay, that's affordable. So Vegas is open back. Oh, Vegas is open back.
Tickets tonight, what is the cost for them? 36?
To rent the
The
boat.
cost for
I mean,
the
the ticket for the boat.
Oh, $29.
$29.
Yeah, it will be the weekend price, will be the higher one.
Oh wow, $29. Okay. And how long are you on the boat for?
Oh, it's about 12, 13 minutes, something like this.
Okay.
You should come on.
We thinking about it. We thinking about it. We're YouTubers. We thinking about it.
Take it in a little bit. See if it start to, give you a taste for it,
Yeah, I know. I hear you. You think we should? Oh, man, maybe might do that. All right. Thank you. Thank you guys so much.
Have a good evening.
Uh-huh.
The water goes out there.
They said that they have life jackets.
Life jacket?
Oh wow, this is the line. This is the line for the boats. Wow, it's a nice little line. This way or this outfit? You Wonder Woman? What are you? What are you? What are you? Yeah, who are you? Wonder Woman?
Whatever you want me to.
Oh, beautiful outfit. You work here or something, or like? What, oh, huh? You just wore this out just like to be wearing it, like hanging out like this?
Oh, yes. It's Vegas.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's how we locals do.
Oh, that's how. Oh, you're local. Okay. Well, take care. Okay.
You as well.
Bye bye. He cracking up. I think the security is following us. He didn't say nothing with the camera.
I don't know. Not too many people today.
No, it's not really. It's not really crowded today. It's not really like too many people today here.